Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Toyota Tundra headlight easy method. Park on level ground, engage the parking brake, and disconnect the battery before starting. I'll guide you through a simple, step-by-step process that fits in your garage. We'll remove the bezel, unplug the old bulb, and install the new one securely. I'll share tips to avoid touching the bulb glass and how to test alignment so your lights aim correctly and safely. I'll walk you through the tools and prep so you're ready to work confidently. You'll need a flathead screwdriver, a ratchet set, replacement bulb, and gloves to protect the glass. Start by opening the hood and locating the headlight housing, then remove any access covers. Work slowly and keep fasteners organized. I'll explain how to disconnect the wiring harness and how to avoid common mistakes like over-tightening screws and misalignment. I'll show the step-by-step swap so the new bulb fits perfectly. After removing the housing screws, gently pull the housing forward and access the bulb socket. Twist or unclip the socket, pull out the old bulb using gloves, and insert the new bulb without touching its glass. Reconnect the wiring harness, secure the housing, and test the light. I'll cover aiming tips and what to do if the new bulb does not light.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.